dump day. I'm going to check out the apartments. Hello. Oh, little Flora is like super tired. Anyway, here's an apartment for rent if anybody needs a place to live. Check it out. Oh, I gotta go take care of the baby. Now here's the kitchen. The fireplace. And the bedroom. What's going on, Floriana? Floriana! What's happening? Uh-oh. Mad baby. Come on. Oi, look at this. What's this? Say good night.
Good night.